Hi, I'm Anupa. So what is it that we all like to have for breakfast? Well, breakfast is the most important meal of the day and the list is endless. So today I'm going to share a unique breakfast idea with you. So let's quickly make breakfast trifle. So let's start by prepping the fruits. We need to chop the apple. So what I'm doing is I'm cutting the apple into slices so that chopping it becomes easy. So let's put the apple in a bowl, and after apple let's take a banana, and we need to chop the banana also in fine pieces. Let's drizzle some honey over it and some lemon juice. So we've got our fruits ready. Now let's layer the trifle. For which I've got 2 trifle glasses. Here goes in apple and banana. Spread the fruits evenly on the base of the glass. So we've got some muesli here. Let's add some crunch by adding in. Let's add some blueberry yogurt. Okay, now let's make the other glass as well. And now what do? Let's add in some nuts. So let's add some pistas, some almonds. Well, this is done. My breakfast trifle is ready. So do try this amazing recipe of breakfast trifle because it is delicious and nutritious.